Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to install the GoWish app on a device. So if you want to install the GoWish app on a device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing what you need to do is that make sure that you have already connected your device to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if you have not connected Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you just need to scroll from the very top right hand side and you just need to connect it from here. So after that, open App Store on the device, and here you will see various options on the bottom taskbar. So click on the last option, which is the search option, and click on the search box. So from here you just need to search the app GoWish, that is GOWISH, and from here you just need to click on the option of GoWish your digital wish list and click on the option of get. So after clicking on the option of get, a pop-up will appear saying install. So click on the option of install, and after that the installation process will start on a device and you will be able to download the app like this. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.